Hi, today we want to brief you the super fast basic tutorial for Hive OS. You need to do it in Windows. First, you need pen drive or SSD. You need the computer with Windows and SSD or pen drive, minimum 8 GB. We'll call it hard drive in this episode. A fully assembled mining rig, a LAN cable connected to your modem router or mesh Wi-Fi units which connected to the internet. First step, follow the link that we put in our descriptions. Click, then you'll bring it to this page. Download the stable version of image file, not the torrent file, and then download the Flasher software Rufus. The both file should be downloaded and saved into same folder. Remember where you save them. Second, run Rufus and flash the HiveOS image file into hard drive. First, plug in your hard drive, then open Rufus. Whenever you open the Rufus, click the Show Advanced Drive Properties. Tick the List USB hard drive. Whenever you tick this one, your device should be detected. And then, click Select button and choose the HiveOS stable image file that we downloaded just now. Click Start button plus 2 times OK while you see the pop-up right after you click the Start button to start flashing the hard drive. While waiting for the hard drive to be flashed, proceed to third step. Third step, register HiveOS account. Browse to this link to register your account, verify your account, and log in to your HiveOS interface. Whenever you log into the HiveOS, you will see this screen. Click on your default farm, and then click Add Rig for your GPU mining rigs. Then click Connect Existing Rigs. Then it will bring you to this page. Click rig.conf to download particular rig config file. Save in previous folder that we mentioned. Keep the browser open and proceed to fourth step. Fourth step, check and fix the flash drive. Whenever you finish flash the drive, it should pop up a Windows show that the HiveOS drive E. If yes, proceed to next step. Skip step 4. If no, refer to below. Press Windows key and type this, then press enter. Check for volume name Hive. Alright. Whenever you found the Hive volume, right click the Hive, then click change drive letters and paths, then click Add, then click OK. Then this management software you will assign a new path or new drive letter for this Hive drive. Step 5. Copy rig config file into your Hive drive. First, you need to copy the rig config file that we downloaded just now and then put into your Hive drive. When you finish paste, then safely remove your SSD or pen drive from your computer. Head over to your rig, plug in the SSD pen drive, then switch on the rigs. Okay, now you go plug in the pen drive into the rig. First, plug in the pen drive, and then plug in the LAN cable, and then plug in the display cable. This is VGA cable. Then turn on the rig. You should hear the beep sound. Then this is the screen. This is the first boot. It might take a little bit longer. If you are using USB 3 pen drive or SSD, the progress will be much more faster. Because this pen drive is USB 2, so the speed is much more slower. So there is 2 GPU. Okay. Then you will say hello to the server and starting the agent screen. Then you will go to the screen. Then means that you already in the Hive OS.
So let us get back to the screen on your PC.
This is the screen you should see when you first boot. Wait for 10 minutes, then update Hive OS, then reboot. This is the numbers that you need to click and update the Hive OS. Last step, create wallet, create flight sheet, do some overclocks, then start mining. Okay, here I want to demonstrate how to create the wallet and also the flight sheet and some simple OC setting. First, click back to the farm, and then here you can create the wallet. Okay, first add wallet. Here you need to choose the coin, example ETH, and then this is the address that you want to paste your wallet address. Okay, this is my wallet address. Then I can put a name for the wallet name, and then for all the others remain default, and then create. Whenever you create a wallet already, then straight to create the flight sheet. Add new flight sheet, ETH, the wallet that you create just now. Choose the pool that you want, and then choose the nearest server that near to your locations, and then choose the miner. For example, if you are using NVIDIA card, then you choose T-Rex miner, G miner, AB miner, or low miner. These four are the famous miner. And then let's say you are using AMD card, then I would recommend using Team-Red miner, G miner, low miner, or MB miner. Let's say we want to use low miner. Okay, then you will come out with the door coin setting here, because low miner consists door mining setting. If let's say we choose T-Rex miner, also have these settings, and we choose the other one, maybe don't have. So it's up to you which miner you want to use and what mining setting you want to use. Okay, we go back to T-Rex miner, and if we don't want to do the door mining, simply key in the name that you can recognize. Okay, great. Whenever you create the flight sheet already, go back to your worker, and then click the rig. This is the screen you should see, and then you can see there is 2 graphic card detected here, and then you need to check whether the detected graphic card is according to what you put in to the rig. First, we go through the interface first. Okay, whenever you receive this one, always click this one, stop miner first. Then make sure the temperature below 50 degrees Celsius, and then click this one, double click this one, upgrade. Make sure these numbers, the version numbers, is updated to these numbers, then only you start mining. Okay, then this is the flight sheet that you can select from the list. Just now we create one only, then you can only select this one. Before we start this one, always goes to hashrate.no to check for the OC value. Okay, the card that we have right now is A2000, right? Before we load in the flight sheet, then we need to do the OC first. Okay, simply click on ETH. Then before we do the first OC, we need to start with the lower setting first. Then we can set 1870 watts. Okay, then simply click on all, 1000, 1008, limit 70 watts. Okay, there is a tips here. Whenever you have locked the core and the memory, you do not need to lock the power limits. So I will leave this one to be blank. Fan speed we can adjust to 65%, and then click save. Whenever you click save, the HiveOS will start to load the NVIDIA OC. Then simply wait for the OC to be done like this. Okay, then we can load the flash sheet. Click apply. If you don't want to go to your monitor, please click this remote access, click Hive shell start, and then wait the Hive shell start to be ready. Okay, whenever the Hive shell start is ready, click this icon, and you will bring it to the monitor screen. Okay, simply type MINER, miner, then enter. Then it will bring to the screen that what miner doing right now. As you can see, the miner is currently installed the T-Rex driver, the T-Rex miner, into the rig. So we wait for a while. Whenever you start a new miner that you never use it before in this rig, then this process must be done before it start to do the mining progress. Okay, now the mining already start, so you can see GPU 0, GPU 1 is generating the DAG. Whenever the DAG is generated, then you will start mining. Okay, DAG generated. Okay, this is the first information screen. As you can see, GPU 0 and 1, this is the hash rate. 54 is the core temperature, 72 is the memory temperature, using 62 watts. Okay, whenever if we see this already, then we can close this one, close this one, and then we back to this screen. Simply refresh. Okay, then this is how the mining looks like. Okay, as you can see right now, this is the info, 38 mAh, 63 watts using for the A2000. This is the lower settings. Whenever you start with the lowest settings and then you run for 2 hours without any problem, after 2 hours, if let's say the mining progress is smooth without any error, then you can go to the medium settings, 2005. Okay, then after 2 hours, if let's say no any error, then you can go to the higher settings, minus 200. Then you can try. Whenever you get the hash rate near to these numbers, then you should stop already. Do not go to too high because the efficiency will start to drop, or the efficiency will stagnant there. It won't increase even though you increase the memory overclocks. Alright, this is for today. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you don't mind, please click the bell button to set a reminder for you. Okay, thank you.